Today is another packing video and I'll be sharing with you what's in my personal item bag. Little backstory, nung nag-long haul ako, recently, I don't have any personal item bag papunta. I've watched videos kung anong gagawin pag sa long haul pero hindi ako naging prepared. And then, nung nasa flight na, I only have yung pouch ng PAL which contain toothbrush, medyas, and then eye mask. And then, provided din naman ng PAL ang blanket and pillow. Pero it wasn't comfortable for me nung papunta, so hindi ako masyado nakatulog ng maayos. Nung papunta kasi sa US, nahihiya akong kunin yung mga gamit ko sa overhead bin. So, ayun, yun lang ang meron ako, yung PAL na pouch. And then, nung morning na, when everyone's trying to stretch, doon lang ako nakakuha ng iba kong item sa overhead bin. Lesson learned, kaya pauwi, meron na akong personal item bag. Ito yung ginamit kong personal item bag nung pauwi. I have with me noon is toiletries, and then yung wallet ko, and then yung cash, nilagay ko sa may denim jacket ko, yung pocket noon. Kasi I always travel with me my denim jacket kasi may inner pocket yun. Since I've learned my lesson, I'm going to travel again. This time, short haul naman. But still, I need a personal item bag with me. Kasi sa 4 hours na yun, I'm pretty sure I'll still use the lavatory. Tapos, meron pa kaming bus ride, which is 6 hours from Malaysia to Singapore. So, kailangan ko talaga ng personal item bag. Hindi naman pwede yung laptop ko nasa compartment ng bus, diba? Itong bag na to, mahanap niyo siya sa Shopee. The link will be down at the description box. As always, ang requirement ko sa personal item bag, dapat meron siyang luggage pa strap. May ID pa ako. Yun yung first thing na hinahanap ko sa personal item bag. And it's also convertible as a pocket. Tapos meron pa siyang compartment dito. You can still put your valuable items here. When traveling and nakabook na kayong ticket, the first thing you'll do is to check the baggage policy. Nag-book kami sa AirAsia and their bag policy is pack light, pack right, no cabin baggage over 7 kilograms. So, 1 cabin bag, tapos small bag, it's either small bag, handbag, or laptop bag, and it should be 7 kilograms in total. Yung bag na maliit, dapat mag-fit siya sa under the seat. So, I'll show you what will I bring with me in my personal item bag. So, ganito ang loob niya. And ang first thing na ilalagay natin is my laptop. My laptop is 14-inch water. So, toiletries. So, nandito is your makeup remover, hand soap, and then facial mist, mouthwash, and then pabango. Nakakaya naman magpabango sa loob ng airplane, so sa lavatory na lang. And then, toothbrush, and then toothpaste, maliit. And then, panty liners, in case I needed it. And this is Ziploc, eye mask, and then yung earplugs, pang ano ng noise. All items will be on the description. So, eye mask. And then, this one, pang ano ng hilo sa plane. And then, other biogesic, bioflu. And I also have cetirizine. Imodium pala to. And this one is the cetirizine. I also want to bring with me a sleeping pills pero hindi pa ako nakakabili. Ito lang ang makeup kit ko. Ayan, another panty liner, and then yung PAL, tapos salamin, and then pang sipon, and then lip tint, tsaka sunscreen. Lux Organics na kawawa na, nabubura na. This pouch is my travel electronic stuff. So, ginagamit ko yung mic ko ngayon, and then yung charger, ginagamit ko rin. So, nandito is charger ng laptop, and then power bank, cord ng power bank, and then, oh, this one. Ito, ilang beses ko nakakalimutan. Nakalimutan ko to nung nasa US kami. Wala akong charger ng watch. So, I'll put it here na. I always forgot this charger ng smartwatch. Itong aking action cam. And then, this is my, yan. Hindi ko siya lalagay doon sa pouch na yun kasi I'll be using it. So, dito, lalagay tayo ng tissue. Another electronic stuff, yung aking hard drive, wallet, mga cards, tsaka lalagay. And also bring with me a belt bag. So, dito ko na lang siya lalagay. Tapos, cash, coins, wallet. Dito sa harap yun. Ito, dito sa loob. This one, I'll be using that sa airport pa lang. And then, ball pen, of course. And then, pang-wipe ng salamin. I don't bring with me case ng salamin kasi lagi ko naman suot yung salamin ko. So, ang passport ko is nakalagay sa Ziploc. Hindi ko na siya nilalagay sa mga case kasi inaalis din naman pag sa immigration. Pati yung cash ko naka-Ziploc. Ang ginagawa ko, if kunyari we're going to stroll the city, syempre hindi mo pwedeng hindi dala yung passport and cash. Kaya nagdadala ko ng belt bag. Tapos dito ko lalagay yung passport ko and the money. Ayan, cash yung money and yung passport. Look. Maganda dito sa bag na to is nasa-stretch siya. So, ganito siya. And then, I put it in my waist. So, ganyan siya. Mukha namang belt itong part na to. Tapos, naka-jacket na ako. And that's how... Yan. Siyempre, common sense. So, kapag crowded yung place, you have to put sa harap, tapos tago mo na lang ng damit mo. Ito siya sa gilid para madali siyang kunin. So, dito ko ilalagay ang aking phone para madali ko siya makuha pag kailangan ko. So, flight din nun is malamig. Ngayon, ina-anticipate ko na ganun din, magiging malamig din yung flight and magiging malamig din sa bus. Bumili na ako ng aking leaves. It's a travel pillow na pwedeng maging blanket. Kahit nasa bahay ako, ginagamit ko pa rin siya. Pag malamig, hindi na ako kailangan mag-jacket. Meron naman akong leaves. I'll show it to you kung gano'n siya kahaba. Kita niyo yung kalat sa kwarto. Pero yeah, this is, I'm 5'5" and a half. Let's wear it. Dadalhin ko to kasi I'm pretty sure lalamigin ako sa bus, sa airplane, and kung sa bus, at least kadamay ko rin si mama. So, meron kaming blanket on the go. I'll have a separate review about this na lang. But so far, I've been loving this kasi kahit wala pa ako sa travel, nagagamit ko siya dito sa bahay. You can buy this sa website nila or sa Shopee. The link will be down on the description box. So, meron din siyang Velcro. So, attach ko lang siya dito sa bag, sa strap ng bag. And that's it. Oh, meron din pala tong strap. Forgot to mention. Ang dami kong natutunan recently sa aking previous travel and share ko yun sa inyo. Gusto ko kasi maging ready din kayo. And this time, I'm really prepared for my next flight. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!